Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix angel eyes on BMW 5 Series and 5 Series GT. So this is a BMW 5 Series from 2011, and if you can notice that the angel eyes from the right headlight, it doesn't turn on. It doesn't turn on even if we turn the low beam and high beam. Also, you can see the headlight vertical aim control failure message on display. So for these reasons we will replace the TMS module from the right headlight. So this is what the new TMS module from the BMW headlight looks like. You can find the new TMS module in the video description below. So to reach for the TMS module, you have to remove the front bumper, or at least a part of it from the default headlight. So we will starting with removing that plastic part. So lift the hood and start removing those two plastics from the sides. So this one from the right side and the other one from the left side. So we will start with removing those plastic clips. Most of them are missing on our car. You can remove those plastic clips using a flat blade screwdriver and the trim tool. So first use a flat blade screwdriver to lift it up. And then take it out. So use a flat blade screwdriver first. Just lift that plastic up. You can find trim tool set in the video description below, just like this. So then you can use the trim tool to remove it. Do the same with the other clips. So you can, if you want to buy a trim tool set, you can find it in the video description below. Then remove the rubber and take the plastic part out. You should do the same if you want to remove the front bumper entirely. Also you have to remove the plastic part from the left side using also a flat blade screwdriver and a trim tool. Then remove the rubber from the front side of the bumper. So then remove those 6 bolts using a T30 Torx. rotate the steering wheel to the left side to create more space behind the front right wheel. Then remove those two bolts from the lower side of the wheel arch cover using an 8mm socket. Remove those first two bolts starting from the bottom of the wheel arch cover. Then remove those two bolts which are indicated with the red arrows. So take the wheel arch cover on the side and remove those two bolts between the fender and the front bumper using also an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Then remove the right side of the front bumper, pulling it down first and then take it out. You should do the same with the left side, only if you want to remove the front bump entirely. Then remove those 8 bolts from the lower side of the bumper using an 8mm socket. Then disconnect all the cables that are attached to the front bumper. So let's start with the cables from the fog lights and also from the parking sensors. Then remove those front grills from the bumper. So remove the lower grills from the bumper and then remove the clips from inside. Also remove the left side of the grill from the left side. Then remove the clip. Then remove the front bumper. Remove the 4 bolts from the headlight using a T30 Torx. There are 2 on the upper side and other 2 on the lower side of the headlight. Use a T30 Torx to remove it. Then you can see the bolt from the lower side of the headlight. So you can see the fourth bolt. You can see the fourth bolt indicated with the red arrow. It's right there. It's hard to reach. It's hard to reach it, but it's okay. You can remove it. But the fourth bolt, it's missing from our headlight. Then pull the headlight out and then disconnect the cables from the back. Then remove those 2 bolts using a T20 Torx. Remove the TMS module and replace it with a new one. You can see it's damaged. First you have to order that TMS module using those 2 serial numbers. The first one is 7258278 and the second one is 535051806. So this is the new one, and we replace it. Then we will put the bolts back. We will install the headlight back and connect the cables. You should test the headlight and see if the angel eyes will turn on, and then install all the parts back. If you can see, it's working. So if you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.